gumaan nga po siya for us, lalo sa team, kasi nga collective effort na siya. May ma-off man, sabihin natin na ma-off ako, meron na talagang siguradong sasalo sa akin kasi as you can see, kompleto talaga kami. We have opposite. Kung sakaling hindi kumana si Abby, we have other opposite. Kung may sakaling hindi ako gumana, meron kaming Lana, meron kaming Red, meron kaming Joy, Aseo, yung rookie namin. So, deep, yes, and Ate Barbie, deep bench talaga ang meron kami. So, no pressure pa rin naman sa akin, and for the team lalo, kasi nga young team. So, marami pa yung pwedeng mangyari. Ang pinufokus lang talaga namin is yung paangat namin and mag-focus kami na mabuo kami. And over time naman, darating na yung ibibigay ni Lord, and kung makita niya na talagang deserve na namin makuha yung dapat namin makuha.
Coach, at this point, siguro, gaano ka-iba na lang yung makeup ng team after last year, and parang how did that affect siguro yung confidence, you personally also with your set of players right now?
Kasi for me, no, so it's number one thing is hindi naman sobrang madali, kundi para ano na siya madaling magtrabaho because I know my players all the time. So lahat sila mostly galing sa high school, so it's easy for me to on how to paano kami magtrabaho. Tapos yun nga, sa lahat naman ginagawa, yun nga talaga, we need always to stick talaga doon sa system namin, sa kung anong tinuturo, because nga, yun sabi ko nga is we always obey, more on talaga na maging successful there all the time. So yun lang talaga na mas for me mas better ngayon kasi I know my players and alam ko yung iba't ibang attitude and character nila. So paano ako mag-adjust for them so that na hindi kami lagi magka-clash during the training, the preparation.
Abby, for you, paano mo na-handle siguro yung pressure na, of course, kahit rookie ka, alam mo naman last year si Shai, then rookie din siya, and coming from high school, ang laki nung naging impact niya. Siguro para sa'yo, paano mo nalang nakikita yung role mo for this team, especially as a first-year player?
Ano po, pressure is there po kasi talaga eh. Pero hinayaan ko lang, naglalaro lang po kami maayos, nagtatraining ng maayos. Siyempre, nandito po sila coach, sila Shaina na nag-guide sa akin every training. So, ngayong game, wala lang ako ginawa kundi maglaro, gampanan yung role ko as an opposite, and kung paano ko i-lift up yung iba pa rin pong kasama.